Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This is going to be for those of you who want to get into the healthcare field but have no experience. This company is completely willing to train from the ground up. They require no experience whatsoever. They're not requiring any kind of college degree either. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages that I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the healthcare company Sarnova. Now, they have 98 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.6 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a patient research specialist. This is fully remote for the United States, but the patient research specialist will be responsible for supporting the patient billing department in all areas related to their clients' private pay patients. So you're going to be working with a patient billing. Now, real quickly, Sarnova is a leading national specialty distributor of healthcare products and emergency medical services, specifically like the respirators and things like that. But they're basically looking for somebody to work internally by gaining an understanding of all their departments and how the departments work together to ensure payment of all of their EMS or emergency medical services claims. You'll work with external parties like hospitals, insurance providers, attorneys, and the patients. You'll handle any correspondence by mail, email, and telephone and perform any duties as assigned by management. Now, right here again, it says no experience required. They will train you. They're looking specifically for somebody who can be a multitasker, a team player, who can be professional on the phone, someone who can work with computers and use 2 different monitors hooked to the same computer. Again, someone who's going to show up for work and be punctual and dependable, and someone who's a quick learner, but no experience and no degree is needed. Now, one thing to quickly note about this job, unfortunately, they did not list pay. That's going to be dependent on several factors and be based on the individual. You'll have to discuss pay at the time of the interview, but it does say they include a benefit package that includes 401k plans. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.